Hi, welcome to Laid Back Learning and Living. I'm Heather. Today I have my daughters here in the kitchen and we're gonna make my grandmother's famous fudge. So this recipe was passed down from my grandmother and now I've made it for 25 years or so, and now my daughters make it, and this is a great recipe to give away to friends and family. So we are going to make it up and then give it out to our neighbors and some friends. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna need a can of evaporated milk. And so we are going to open that up.
Here, can I do it?
All right, you can do that. And then we're gonna need sugar. And because it's fudge, we need a bunch of it. So in this case, we're gonna get about 3.5 cups of sugar.
Done.
You're gonna, no, we're not eating it. You're gonna help.
I thought we were eating.
1. Count it out for me.
Do you want me to dump the milk in or what?
Are you dumping it?
2.
All
Do you want
right.
me to dump the milk in?
Almost.
Okay.
And
3.
we don't have to be exact on the measurements. We're just kind of eyeballing about 3.5 cups.
4.
Well, we're gonna call that a half. Okay. 3.5 cups
Does
of
this taste like milk?
plain white sugar. No, it's been cooked, so it tastes like cooked milk.
Does it taste like
Ooh, wow, we're throwing sugar. Okay,
Looks like caramel.
okay, no thank you. Not throw it on the floor. Okay, sure. Do you want to dump this, babe?
I'll dump it.
Yeah, of course. Okay, dumping in. And we're gonna use our rubber spatula to get everything out.
What is?
What else can I do?
And now if you want to grab a butter knife and get us
It
2
smells like
tablespoons.
cheese.
It smells like
Yummy.
cheese. Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah, gently. Okay.
Okay.
Is this 2 tablespoons exactly, or do I have to do some else?
Just eyeball 2 tablespoons for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Does it stay on the bottom?
Here it
It looks like sand.
The other butter
says on this
is
side. Right here.
Oh.
Careful. All right, so there's 1,
Mama,
2. Okay.
look,
Cut
it
that
looks
off.
like sand.
It kind of does.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Just keep stirring, Claire.
All right.
It's sticking.
Okay, you're just gonna throw it into our pot.
I'm mangling it. Butter!
Gentle. Okay. And then we just need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we are going to take it back to the stove and we're gonna cook it for about 6 minutes until our
That's a lot
sugar
of sand.
dissolves. And while that's doing that, we will chop up our
That's a lot of
chocolate
sand.
and get our other ingredients
That's
ready.
a lot of sand.
Thank you. Yes, it is.
Lot of sand.
Okay.
Lot.
Okay.
Last time you...
All right. We're gonna move this over so all of our
Mommy.
friends can see what we're
I
doing
eat
here.
it.
No, we are not eating it.
No. That's not cookie, Mom.
Shh, we gotta tell them what we're doing. Okay. All right. Where's our box so we can show that we are gonna use a whole 4-ounce box of Baker's unsweetened chocolate.
No sugar.
And we're just gonna chop it up. So that means I need
Chop,
little hands.
Stop.
Thank you. Out of the way. Let's move you.
Hands clear.
Stay back, please. Thank you. And we just want to break it up into smaller chunks. Nothing exact. Okay.
Yay.
No. Okay, so we have our unsweetened baker's chocolate. You really don't want that, love. It does not taste good. It has no sugar in it. Your sister's crazy that she thinks it's yummy.
I love it. What?
Okay, so we have on the back of the stove. We're not gonna have any chocolate to put in the fudge at the end of this. Let her disappear. I don't know.
We'll move the stove.
We're gonna let her disappear for a minute and wait for this stuff.
This is what you're holding back, man. This is what's back there happening while you're filming.
This is all
You
the
wanted
excitement.
real life cooking with kids. Right? Thank you.
What is it?
That's marshmallow cream. That's more sugar.
Marshmallow!
Okay.
It's a bunch of marshmallows in a jar.
I
And
want marshmallows!
maybe if we're lucky, we can ask Mom if we can have the jar that has a little bit left after she's done.
Yes!
Okay. Let's set that down. All right. Our milk and sugar mixture has boiled for the last 6 minutes and the sugar's all dissolved. So we're just gonna grab that off of the stove, bring it back over, and then dump in our remaining ingredients. All right. Everybody stay back. Super hot.
Yummy marshmallow!
Stay back. Hot. All right. This is super hot because it is sugar. So be extra careful. And at this point, I just like to dip in my rubber spatula into the mixture and then use that to coax out the marshmallow cream. And it's 1 full container of marshmallow cream.
I didn't give it to me, Mom.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, you have marshmallow cream on your face now.
That's my mom.
All right, and then we're gonna dump in, we have 12 ounces of, these are Ghirardelli 60% cocoa chips. I like these ones specifically because it kind of cuts through some of the sugar and really makes for a nice creamy and delicious fudge.
No, I'm not sure.
I know you're gonna stir in just a second. We're adding in, and then about 1 teaspoon of vanilla and our baker's chocolate. Okay, and then we are going to very slowly and carefully stir
I know.
because it's super hot and the hot mixture will melt all the chocolate and marshmallow that we just put in. All right, you may very carefully stir. Careful because the pot is hot and the sugar is extra, extra hot. So over here, I already have prepared a 9x13 Pyrex dish, and I've just lined it with some parchment paper. To get the parchment paper to sit in my pan a little bit better, I just take and crumple it all up so it's not wanting to pop out of the pan, and I'm not dealing with that while trying to dump the hot fudge into it. All right, we got to keep stirring. Did you want to stir?
Yes.
All right, so we're just looking for all of it to melt together and it will become a solid chocolatey mass. We have to work quickly here because it will start setting up pretty fast. What are you doing?
Making the marshmallows.
Okay, all right. Thank you for
Partly
that.
mine.
And then you're all done. You have to go wash your hands, Abby. Okay, both of you are done and now you need to go wash your hands. I will finish up the stirring. All right, we're almost there.
Marshmallow.
Make sure you're getting all those corners.
Why is the faucet not?
Can you please help your sister, hon?
Oh, there we go.
Okay, so it looks, it's all joined together. So at this point you could add in nuts if you wanted to. We're just gonna keep it the straight fudge because that's everyone in our family's favorite. And then we just dump it into our parchment lined pan. Making sure we scrape out our pot. And then this is just gonna cool. I like to stick it in the
Mama.
outside since we're cold, and kind of use that as a speed up the process of cooling down.
It's my food.
I don't know, love.
Yes, Daddy.
In the other room.
What?
In the other room, I think, with Homa.
And
All right. And we're just gonna smooth out the top so that we get into all those corners. And you can already kind of see it starting to set up and it gets
All right.
crackly.
Daddy.
All right.
Chocolate coconut.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, so this is all completed, and all it has to do at this point is cool, and then we're just gonna slice it into chunks and then put it into our little gift boxes that we have. So we'll assemble those up and then tie it with a little bow, and it makes a great gift. This is a delicious, smooth, creamy chocolate fudge. And like I said, this recipe has been passed down in our family for a couple generations, and I really hope that you guys give it a try. It's so yummy, right?
Yes. It's one thing that I really look forward to about Christmas.
Yes. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Reindeer.
There are
I'm a reindeer.
Okay, you're cute.
I'm a reindeer. And I am cooking.
No.
these-
Captain Crunch.
What are we doing here?
Number 4.
Are we done with these?
Yeah.
Oh, it's short-lived.
Homemade
Fudge.
Christmas gifts. Alright. Okay.
All right, our sugar and milk mixture.